Hi guys! Today we'll fix the ChatGPT to many requests error. If you're seeing this message and can't use ChatGPT properly, follow these simple steps. After unlocking your phone, open the Settings app. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find Apps, then tap on it. This section lets you manage settings for the apps installed on your iPhone. Use the search bar to find Safari, then tap on it when it appears. You'll now see different Safari settings that can help resolve loading and website-related issues. Scroll down until you find Clear History and Website Data, then tap it. This removes cached website data that may be causing problems when accessing ChatGPT through Safari. When the confirmation appears, tap Clear History to complete the process. After that, try opening ChatGPT again to see if the error has been resolved. If the problem still continues, open the App Store and update the ChatGPT app to the latest version. App updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can resolve temporary issues like this. And that's how you can easily fix the ChatGPT to many request error step by step. Once completed, ChatGPT should work more smoothly, especially if the issue was caused by outdated app data or an older app version. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.